Hello YouTube, it's Craig with CasWorks Woodworking. It's been another week in the shop. I enjoyed my time spending it with my wife as we've been working on this memorial bench. That's what we've been focusing on throughout this weekend. We got a lot accomplished, as you can see from these pictures. Just have a little bit left to go. I've got the seat to put on. I've got to do a lot of sanding, of course, and then the finish. And it is good to go. So I'll get back to stuff after we're finished with that. There will be a video, of course, on this bench. You can look forward to that in a later episode. But I want to thank you for watching all my videos. Don't hesitate to send me a comment. I hope that you would like and share this video. It really helps out. I appreciate it. Have a great week.